Painting is something I do for myself. It's really hard to put into words, but to me, it's a form of meditation. It's not an escape, but mentally I do transcend from one mindset to another while I'm working on a new canvas. It's a very different mental process than writing a song, making a film, or taking a photograph. With painting, I'm taking an image in my head and attempting to recreate it visually on a canvas. The final product is very tangible. With a song, I'm attempting to put a visual image, thoughts and feelings into words and music. The final product is oral. With film or photographs, the final product, while like a painting, is visual, it's not tangible, but a painting can be purchased, taken home, and hung on the wall. Oftentimes as I work, I'll have the voice of a previous art teacher, colleague, or college professor in my head lecture me about my process. While I've had some formal art training, when I paint, it's an instinctive process. Sometimes the brush seems to have a mind of its own as I work the canvas. I don't show many of my paintings to other people because the work I create is very personal. I look at the final product as if it were one of my own children. After all, the creative process is much like giving birth. There's the initial conception of the idea behind the work, the ups and downs and struggles of the creative process, and of course, the adventure of following the precarious path of completing the work just to wonder to yourself if it is complete. Then there's the torture of seeing the imperfections in the composition and brushwork. Then there's convincing yourself it's done. And if I do happen to show the piece, there is the nightmare of hoping the untrained eye won't see the flaws. Also, there's the praying that the trained artistic eye doesn't see them, and if they do, they don't say anything about it. And of course, finally, you fool yourself into thinking everyone will praise your work for being such a beautiful and awe-inspiring piece. I also keep my paintings to myself because of my own insecurities. Sometimes, if I get negative feedback on one of my creations, I will get discouraged, and I don't want to stop painting because of what someone else may think of my work. It is the only creative process that I enjoy in every way, from beginning to end, and I think that's because it's the only unadulterated art form that I work with. I'm not influenced by any established artists like Van Gogh, Monet, Vermeer, etc. The masters have always inspired me, but I have never studied any of them or attempted to emulate their work within my art. Painting feels more like sculpting to me. When I paint, I feel like I want to crawl inside the canvas to manipulate the lines and the strokes. It's as if I'm an archaeologist digging for lost treasures buried within the canvas. Most of my work turns out to be satisfactory, and I'm proud of what I've created. I just do what I do. It is what it is, and I'm happy with that.